Hey guys, today I'm sick, so I won't be performing anytime soon. But I might do like next week. I kind of got strep throat too. It's exactly 9 o'clock. My sister's already at school, so and I approve this message. This is really true. Annabeth, if you're watching this, I'm really sick. And I won't be able to like play with you anytime soon, but I will play with you, I promise. But just not today or tomorrow. It might be tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow on the bus. I know it will. But and it's exactly 9:01. Okay.